Hi, welcome back to Mommy's Yum once again. My name is Chioma and today I'm going to be making some air fried turkey chops. I love using my air fryer because it reduces the quantity of oil I use in frying food. Actually, I don't even like frying food, so I have always been an oven person. But with this air fryer, I get the fried turkey or fried chicken filling with my proteins. I made this turkey as part of my meal prep. So when I make this, I normally pack them up and I'm going to be using it for the kids' meal. I'm going to be putting it in their food whenever I cook something that doesn't have beef or meat or anything in it. So it makes it easy for me, and you can as well do the same for your children. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into it. So I'm first going to cut my onions and my garlic, which I'm going to use to season my meat first. I love the taste of garlic, so I like using a lot of garlic in my cooking. If you don't, then yeah, it's up to you. And here I have my turkey, which is already well cleaned and washed. So I'm going to be adding my seasonings and everything into it. I'm starting with the chopped onions and the garlic. And then next I'm using my all-purpose seasoning. If you can see from my other videos, this is the best seasoning that I use now. Once I add this, I don't need to buy a whole lot of seasonings now. This just makes it easy for me. And then I've got my Italian seasoning again. I like garlic, so I'm adding some more garlic granules. It gives a lot of flavor to my food, so I enjoy putting it in my food. And then I've got my ginger, ground ginger here. If you haven't got ground dry ginger, you can use the normal ginger and then just grind it well and add. And then I'm putting my seasoning cube too, and then some bay leaves. That's it. I'm going to just turn everything together, and then I'm going to add a little bit of water. I just feel turkey does not get out much water when you are cooking it, so I'm adding a little bit of water to kickstart the process before I start cooking, and then add the quantity of water that I need. My children don't eat pepper, so I just add the pepper for flavor and make sure that it doesn't burst into the food that I'm cooking. Otherwise, OYO is my name. So you can see my chicken is cooking, and then I'm adding some more water to it just to make sure that it cooks well. And I want the chicken to be well done and soft, so I'm going to really cook it for about up to 40 minutes, so that my turkey, did I say chicken before? Sorry, I'm just confused. So I'm cooking it for about 35 to 40 minutes to make sure that the turkey is well done and soft. So this way nobody is going to tear their teeth out when they are eating this turkey. So once my turkey is soft, I'm going to drain it into my sieve, and then I'll also drain out the stock, which I'm going to use in another video. So keep an eye on that and see what I made with this one. Yeah, and here's my turkey, which I've put in another bowl, and I'm going to add some oil into it. You can use sunflower oil, olive oil, or any oil that you have. I'm just coating it with the oil so that it will have that fried texture when I finish air frying it. So I'm going to just mix it together very well, and then I'm going to put it into my air fryer. I have a Ninja Health grill, which is multifunctional. It's got the air fryer, it's got the oven, it's got the grill, it's got a roast function, and also a dehydrator. This is a lifesaver. Since I got this, it has helped me a lot in my cooking and in making more healthy meals, and also it's very, very fast. So as I put this in, I air fried it for about 14 minutes. That's 7 minutes before turning it over. Just turning it over so that it can be evenly cooked, and that's it. That's air fried turkey here. If you are still watching this, I hope you have given me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching till the end, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.